Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, do you know what this is? This is a pellet. So when I first came into this house, I didn't have enough money to buy a bed. But getting the pellets was a cheaper option for me. So I've been using pellets as my bed. And now I want to edit this pellet into a seat. This is because in my living room, as I showed you guys, my dining room backfired, my dining space. It really backfired hard on me. And so I decided that I'll just make the whole room a sitting, lounging place, minus the dining. I'll try and fix the dining either in the kitchen or just do away with it. I haven't yet decided. Yeah, so today I'll be taking you through how I'll transform these pellets, 2 pieces of pellets, into a seat. Let's do this. So I'd like my seat to be a length of 60. That is 5 feet, and a width of 34. So the width, this is the width, 34. So 34 is here. I think I can just add this. So we're going to work with a width of 35. And this length is 42, so I'll need to add something else here. But as per now, I need to cut this out. Start that. You guys, nafaa kukula ugali ndio kuja hapa. So after cutting this wood, you can see the edges are not fully supported because I've removed this, which was the supporting part of the edges. So I'm going to remove these edges from here and place them here, here, and here. And then the leg of the seat is supposed to be 7 inches. And right now this is 6 inches. So I think I'll use either this or this to raise it to the 7 inches. Let's do this. So the pellets I had were 42 by 42. And the seat I'm trying to fix is supposed to be 65 by 35. So after cutting, these are the pieces that I was left with. So I'm going to be using these pieces to join this piece to this piece. So I'll just put it here for every So I'm going to use this to put here, 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 and here, just for added support.